All information today is found in the Food Lab's Procedures packet. Please turn to the kitchen lab duty sheet in the packet.
Okay, boys and girls, on days that you will be cooking, you'll be following these procedures. We're going to be going on a kitchen lab tour, and I'm going to explain everything that you'll be doing on lab days. So on days that we're cooking, you're going to come in and you're going to check the job assignment board. Here you'll see your daily responsibility and what the rest of your group members will be responsible for as well. Once you check the job assignment you'll go to your seat. Once you're in your seat, you're going to take out your cooking lab demonstration sheet, which you have filled out prior to the days that you're cooking, either by video or by in-class instruction. We're going to go over the demonstration again, go over the review questions, the safety procedures, and then you should also have the recipe out. Once we reviewed what we're doing for the day, you're going to come over to the back closet and put on an apron. As you can see, I have plenty of aprons for all of the students to wear. Throughout the cooking unit, you're going to be assigned a specific lab. So as you can see right now, I'm standing in lab number 4. You'll be working in the same lab with the same group members. So prior to cooking, you're going to take these steps. My apron's on. You're going to roll up your sleeves. You want to tie back your hair and then wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm water. Each lab has hand soap and a paper towel dispenser to use. So I'm going to wash my hands for 20 seconds. You can count to 20, sing the ABCs, twinkle twinkle little star. It's up to you. Once that 20 seconds is up, dry your hands with a paper towel. Each kitchen also comes equipped with a paper towel dispenser. The paper towel dispensers, depending on which kitchen lab you're in, are either located on the side cabinets or along the back wall. As you can see, there are garbage cans, 4 in total, 1 for each kitchen lab. You're welcome to pull the garbage can into your lab so it's easier for you to access. The fire extinguisher is located in between kitchens 1 and 2, right upon entering the classroom. We also have a fire blanket, which is located in the corner of kitchen number 2. In addition, we have 2 microwaves inside the classroom. One is located on the back wall in kitchen 2 and also on the back wall in kitchen 3. The refrigerator is located on the back wall of kitchen 3 as well. Each kitchen has a kitchen lab manual that's numbered, and inside the manual, in case you can't find a piece of equipment or you don't know where to put it away, there are pictures of what's inside each drawer. Refer to this if you're ever confused or you have a question about the equipment and where it should go.
Please turn to the kitchen tour page in your packet.
Once you enter your assigned lab, you'll notice that each drawer and cabinet are labeled with numbers. Inside each drawer, there are specific items and equipment inside. In drawer number 1, you'll find the cooling rack and your oven mitts. Drawer number 2, you'll find a pair of scissors, aluminum foil, parchment paper, and wax paper. Drawer number 3, you'll find your cutting mat, cutting board, and a serving tray. Drawer number 4, you'll find all of your bakeware, like your cookie sheets, the muffin pan, and cookware like your skillet. Moving on, we have drawer number 5. Drawer number 5 has all of your commonly used kitchen utensils. These are utensils that we're going to use on a daily basis in almost every lab, like the thin spatula, the whisk, rubber scraper, wooden spoon, and the turner. Drawer number 6, however, has specialty utensils. These are the utensils and equipment that we'll be using once or twice during our cooking unit. For example, the pastry blender, a pastry brush, the rolling pin, etc. Drawer number 7 has our eating utensils, your forks, knives, spoons, and also holds your paring knives. Inside cabinets number 8, below the sink, you will find all of your group's cleaning supplies, like extra dish soap. You'll have disinfecting wipes, a dustpan and brush, cleaning spray for the counters, extra sponges, waste basket liners or garbage bags, and rubber gloves for dishwashing. If your group needs an extra broom or a dustpan, they can be located in the front closet right next to the front door. In cabinets number 9 and 10, these are located above the counter. You'll find your mixing bowls, your measuring equipment like the dry measuring cups, liquid measuring cups, and measuring spoons. You'll also find your custard cup, toothpicks for baking, and your sifter for dry ingredients. Above, you have plates and small bowls, mugs as well.
Please turn to the washing dishes by hand page in your
dishwasher
packet.
For the day, you're responsible for setting up your group's sink. As you can see, there's a double basin, and I'm going to show you how to set this up. As you can see, there's stoppers for each drain. You're going to line up the stopper to plug the drains. You're going to push in and turn to the right so they lock into place. Next, you're going to dedicate one side for the soap, the second side for rinsing, and then you have the drying rack with a dish towel. What you want to do is set up soap and sanitize, rinse, then dry. So you're going to run the water with warm water, and then you're going to add a few drops of dish soap for the soapy side. Think of the soapy side as a warm bubble bath for all of your dishes and equipment. You're going to fill up the sink about halfway with water, and then move it over, and the other side will be just clean water for rinsing. You also want to set this up and fill the sink halfway with water. After you finish cleaning, you need to drain the sink. So you're going to take the plugs out so all the water drains. You have to make sure that all of the soap goes down the drain as well. And then you're going to check for any leftover food particles. Once all the water has drained down the sink, you're going to take a dish towel to dry the inside. That way, you'll collect any excess food particles that may have been left behind. You also want to dry the faucet as well.
Okay, this will prevent mold and bacteria from building up. This dirty towel, or used towel, will now be placed in the soil laundry basket. And you'll take a new dish towel from the clean laundry basket and place it on the dish drying rack for the next class to use. And if you ever forget how to do the dishes, you can always refer to the posters on the kitchen cabinets. Once your kitchen is done cooking, you're going to start to clean up your lab. You need to wipe down the counters. So, first step is removing everything off of the countertops. So you're going to move this out of the way. And next you're going to take cleaner, spray the counter. Next you'll take a wet sponge and wipe that counter down. Okay, you want to do the entire counter, wherever you were cooking. Then you're going to want to rinse that sponge, pass over the counter again, collecting any soap that may have been left behind. Once that looks clean, you'll take a towel or a paper towel and dry the countertop. Once that's done, you can put the equipment back how you found it. And I also want you to wipe any containers that were used in case they were left sticky, and dry those as well. Once you're done wiping down the counters, you're going to set up your lab for the next class period to use. So on the refrigerator here is a marker board with a list of equipment that's going to be left out for the next class. Once you're done and your group is eating, the junior chef or the manager will then fill out a lab evaluation sheet. The lab evaluation sheets, once completed, will go in your assigned class folder. Also, if you need any extra recipes, these will also be here on the demonstration table. Hair ties and Band-Aids, if you need to cover up any cuts or sores, will also be located here.